Our understanding of the cosmos has never been static. It has evolved through observation, correction, and sometimes, complete transformation. In the early 20th century, astronomer Edwin Hubble estimated the universe to be only a few billion years old. Today, with the help of advanced observatories and precise measurements, scientists place its age at approximately 13.8 billion years. Each refinement not only sharpens our knowledge but also reminds us of something deeper. Our understanding of the universe is always provisional. Even within our own galaxy, the Milky Way, mysteries continue to challenge established ideas. Observations of stars at its outer edges reveal motions that do not fully align with expectations. According to classical models, stars farther from the galactic center should move more slowly. Instead, they maintain unexpectedly high velocities, suggesting that unseen forces are at work. This is where the concept of dark matter becomes crucial. Though invisible, it is believed to make up a significant portion of the galaxy's mass, exerting gravitational influence on stars and galaxies. Yet its exact nature remains unknown. Data from the Gaia mission, operated by the European Space Agency, has added new complexity to this picture. By mapping nearly 2 billion stars with extraordinary precision, Gaia has provided insights that challenge previous estimates of the Milky Way's mass. Some findings suggest that the galaxy may be significantly lighter than earlier calculations indicated, potentially reshaping our understanding of how dark matter is distributed. As astronomers refine their models, they continue to uncover a deeper truth. The structure of the universe is far more intricate than once imagined. Beyond our galaxy, the search extends to the earliest chapters of cosmic history. The powerful James Webb Space Telescope has begun to observe galaxies formed just a few 100 million years after the Big Bang. These observations offer a glimpse into the first generation of stars and the formation of early galactic structures. At the same time, the study of distant worlds has accelerated dramatically. Thousands of exoplanets have now been identified, orbiting stars across the galaxy. Some of these worlds exhibit conditions that may be suitable for life. One notable example is WASP 96b, where Webb detected water vapor, clouds, and atmospheric haze. While this particular planet is far too hot to support life as we know it, the discovery demonstrates that complex atmospheres can exist even in extreme environments. It strengthens the possibility that more temperate, life-supporting worlds may also be out there. These findings lead to profound questions. Could life exist beyond Earth? If it does, what forms might it take? And could entire civilizations have arisen and disappeared long before humanity ever looked to the stars? Such questions bridge science and philosophy, forcing us to reconsider our place in a vast and ancient universe. Theoretical physics pushes these ideas even further. Concepts like the multiverse suggest that our universe may be just one of many. According to interpretations such as the many worlds hypothesis, every possible outcome of a quantum event could unfold in a separate reality. Though highly speculative, these ideas challenge the limits of what we consider observable and real. Other phenomena hint at forces we do not yet fully understand. Observations of galaxy clusters reveal a mysterious motion known as dark flow, where massive structures appear to be moving in a single direction at speeds that defy conventional models. Such behavior suggests that influences beyond our observable universe may be at play. Despite these uncertainties, one fact stands out clearly: the majority of the universe is invisible. Dark matter accounts for roughly 27% of the cosmos, while dark energy makes up nearly 68%, driving the accelerated expansion of space itself. Everything we can see, stars, planets, galaxies, and life, constitutes less than 5%. Understanding these hidden components may one day transform our entire conception of reality. Every new observation expands knowledge while simultaneously revealing new mysteries. Each discovery challenges long-held assumptions and pushes scientists to rethink fundamental principles. The journey is not linear. It is a constant process of questioning, revising, and exploring. Among the many fascinating objects studied by astronomers is HD 140283, often referred to as the Methuselah star. Located in the constellation Lyra, it has captured attention due to its extraordinary age. Initial estimates suggested that this star might be older than the universe itself, an apparent impossibility. More refined measurements now place its age at around 14.5 billion years, with a margin of error that overlaps with the estimated age of the universe. While the paradox has been softened, it has not been entirely resolved. This case highlights the challenges of stellar dating. Unlike planets, stars do not change dramatically in size or temperature over short timescales. To estimate their ages, astronomers rely on indirect methods, analyzing brightness, chemical composition, and rotational speed. Over time, stars gradually lose angular momentum, slowing their rotation. By comparing these properties across different stars, scientists develop models to estimate their ages. Yet, as Methuselah shows, these methods are not perfect. They remind us that even our most advanced techniques have limits, and that the universe still holds surprises capable of challenging our most confident conclusions. To better grasp cosmic time, scientists often use the idea of a cosmic calendar. If the entire history of the universe were compressed into a single year, the Big Bang would occur at midnight on January 1st. Earth would form in the final hours of December 31st, and all of human history would occupy just the last few seconds before midnight. This perspective emphasizes how brief our existence is compared to the vast timeline of the cosmos. Modern estimates of the universe's age rely heavily on measurements of cosmic expansion. Light from distant galaxies is stretched as space expands, a phenomenon known as redshift. By analyzing this stretching, astronomers can estimate distances and calculate how fast the universe is expanding. These measurements consistently support an age of about 13.8 billion years. However, alternative ideas continue to emerge. Some researchers have proposed models suggesting that the universe could be significantly older, perhaps even extending beyond 20 billion years. These theories explore possibilities such as changes in fundamental constants or energy loss in light traveling across immense distances. While these ideas remain controversial, they play an essential role in science. They force researchers to test assumptions, refine methods, and search for more precise evidence. At its core, the study of the universe is not just about answers, it is about the pursuit of understanding. From ancient civilizations gazing at the night sky to modern observatories capturing light from the edge of the observable universe, humanity's journey has been driven by curiosity. Each photon collected by a telescope represents a fragment of a much larger story, a story that spans billions of years and countless cosmic events. As technology advances and observations become more precise, the boundaries of knowledge continue to expand. Yet with every discovery comes a deeper realization. The universe is far more complex, dynamic, and mysterious than we ever imagined. It is not a finished system. It is evolving, shifting, and revealing itself piece by piece. And perhaps the most remarkable truth of all is this: despite its vastness, despite its age, and despite its mysteries, the universe remains within reach of those willing to observe, question, and persist.